Good afternoon, class. So before we start our lesson, let us have our prayer. Let me call in Joshua to lead the prayer. Amen. Now let us have our attendance. Secretary, please check who are present today. How many are present, Secretary? Alright, it seems that a lot of you are present today. Next, pick up pieces of paper that you see around you and throw it on the trash bin over there. Okay? So before we start our lesson, let us have a recap. Kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper and write T if the statement is true and F as the statement is false. I will give you 3 minutes. Alright, time is up. Exchange your papers with your seatmates and let us answer the questions. Number 1. Imagery is used to create mental pictures. True or false? Correct. It is true. Second, the sea laugh is an example of a tactile imagery. Is it true or is it false? Correct. It is false because it is auditory and visual. So it is not an example of a tactile imagery. Number 3, often use sensory word to set a stance. Is it true or is it false? Hazel? Alright, it is true. So it seems like we don't have any questions for our past lesson. Now, let us have the emotional weather report. So if your mood today was a type of weather, what would it be? Sunny, stormy, or etc. And why? So list what you know and want to know about our class today. Okay, Crystal? Correct. Your mood is sunny. Julia? You want to know how being sad feels like. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our objectives. Please read our objectives. Alright, very good. So, I will make you look at a clip and you will tell me what this means to you. Clip A sounds like. Yes, Cesar? Yes, very good. The sea feels happy and peaceful. Other answer? Yes, Kesha? Very good. The sea feels like it is inviting us to play. Now I will make you listen to another clip. So listen to this. So what does that sounds like? Has the C's personality changed? Yes, Ansel? Correct. So her answer is it feels dangerous and lonely. So let us now proceed to our lesson, which is defining the tone versus mood. So what do you think is the difference between the two? Any volunteer? Yes, Diana? Might be. Any other hands? Yes, Kate? Correct. So, the tone is the author's attitude. So, it is the voice. While the mood is the atmosphere or the feeling you will get. So, the tone is based on the author and the mood will be based on how you will perceive our lesson or how you will perceive the book that you are reading. Now, does everyone understand what is tone and what is mood? Alright, now let us read The Sea by Natividad Marquez. So I will distribute the copy of The Sea by Natividad Marquez and you will read it for 2 minutes and I will ask questions after. Get one and pass. Alright, now that time is up, you will find the shift. So where does the poem go from happy now to sad? Yes, Yuli? Correct, stanza 2. Why does the sea cry? So very good. Now, let us have our activity. Please read. Okay, so the groupings will go like this. This will be group 1. This in the middle will be group 2. And here is group 3. So you will have 2 rows per group. So group 1 will be assigned to stanza 1. Group 2 will be assigned to stanza 2. And group 3 will be assigned to stanza 3. Each group must identify the author's attitude, which is the tone, and the mood intended or the feeling that is assigned to that stanza. So practice reading the stanza aloud. You are not allowed to use props or costume and you must rely solely on your vocal characteristics. So for example, pitch, volume, pace, and annotation. And also your facial expression to voice out what is the correct mood. So practice reading the stanza aloud and each group will perform their choral reading in the front of the class. Now, I will give you the rubric. The rubric is, please read. Alright, very good. Now that you have your rubric and your instruction, please go to your group and prepare. I will give you 5 minutes to prepare. Alright, time is up. So now, let us look at the performance of group 1. Very good, group 1. Now let us have the group 2. Very good, group 2. Now let us have our last but not the least group, group 3. Very good. All the groups performed their performance well, and you can get your scores after the class. So after reading the poem, let me ask you this question. In our community, how do we show the value of praying for the souls like the ocean does? Any volunteers? Yes, Miss Hazel? Very good. We offer candles and flowers for our loved ones. Any other hand? Yes, Yasser. So you respect the sea as a gift from God. Correct. Now, let me ask you this question. What should a reader check to find the tone? Yes, Jaya? Check the author's words and choices. Very good. So it seems like everyone understands our topic for today. Now I will give you a multiple choice question. I already printed it here. So the direction is read and understand each question carefully. Choose the letter of the best answer. I will distribute that one and pass. I will give you 5 minutes to finish your task. Time's up. Now, submit your paper to the person in front of you. Very good. Now, the person in front, give me the papers, and I will exchange it by row. Okay. Now, let's check your answers. Who wants to read and answer number 1? Yes, Ivy? Correct. Letter B. The sea laugh and glints. The tone is playful. Very good. So who wants to answer and read number 2? Yes, Kate? Correct. Letter C. The literary device used when the sea prays is personification. Now, who wants to read and answer number 3? Yes, Azar? Yes, correct. The overall mood of the final stanza is solemn. Number 4, who wants to read and answer? Okay, Joshua. Correct. Letter A, the dreams of everyone subsiding the sea suggests the value of hope. Very good. And for number 5, who wants to answer? Yes, Yasser. Correct. If the tone of the author, if the tone is the author's voice, what is the mood? Letter B, the reader's feeling. Now, thank you for listening, class. And before we end our lesson, let us have our prayer. Please stand. Joshua, please lead us the prayer. Alright. And also, pick up the pieces of paper that are lying around. Okay. Thank you, everyone. You may take your seat. Goodbye, class.